Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to follow someone on Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Well, now let us simply look at how to follow someone. Well, right here from the feed, as you can see, there are multiple posts. And right next to them, you will see a follow button right here. Simply click on them and then you will have followed this creator. Else what you can do is simply go to the profile right now. And once you do that, you will be redirected to a page like this, and right here at the top, you will see a button like this called as follow. Simply click on it and then you will have followed this creator. That is it guys. Do note that if you know the username of your creator, you can simply search from them right here. And likewise, once you do that, simply follow them. That is it guys. That's how you follow someone on Binance Square. It's quite easy, and do note to unfollow someone is just as easy. Simply click on the following button right here and give your confirmation. That's the gist of it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.